What's up, guys? Dr. Tansini here. Welcome to your daily body armor with the Tank. I'm Tank. You're a Grand Over at PT. And thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Never miss a way to bulletproof your body and make yourself the best person and athlete you could possibly be. And you're not going to be able to be that person or the best athlete that you want to be if your body isn't in the best shape possible. So join me 3 minutes a day. Let's bulletproof this body. Keep you moving on the right track. Today, we're going to be talking about that back pain that you guys have, whether it's upper back pain or lower back pain. A lot of it stems from the ability of your just inability to really rotate and rotate the way that you need to through that spine. So today we're going to be using a kettlebell. We're going to get you more rotation. Your back's going to feel better. The top back, your shoulder's going to feel better. And you're going to be able to crush that workout that you have today 100 times better. So grab a kettlebell of a moderate load. It doesn't have to be super heavy, just enough weight for you to feel. You're going to lay down on your back, and we're going to press this kettlebell up straight in front of the shoulder. Okay, I want you to keep the thumb facing backwards. All right, and we're going to do a kettlebell arm bar. Feet out straight, arms out to the side. First thing, you're going to bring the leg opposite of the kettlebell over and up while trying to keep the other shoulder down on the ground. Okay, trying to put the other shoulder down on the ground and get that leg up as high as you can go. Take a few deep breaths there. Bring it back over. Then we're going to go the other way. So bring this same side of the leg. You're going to rotate all the way over. Actually, onto your stomach. Then you're going to maintain it within that kettlebell. So as you move through this, the eye is never going to go off that kettlebell. That's a great way to drop this kettlebell when you get it. So, eye on the kettlebell. Okay, you get you a nice deep breath here. Take a hot move the spine while moving the shoulder. Also, the stability of the shoulder. And then you're going to bring it back up. Okay? Work through there for about 5 reps each side. Swap arms, do 5 reps each side again. See how much better that back feels. Feel how much looser that you feel. And go crush everything you're about to do today in the gym, in life, and keep being awesome. So thanks for joining me, guys. Come back here tomorrow. I got another 3-minute piece for you, and we're going to keep rolling. See ya.